Hello, this is Anne with Colorful Cards, Treats and Treasures, and today I have another treat for you. Oh, it's just been such a great week for subscription boxes. My paper pumpkin came this week, and today my very first Knitcrate came. Oh! This is a kind of like a yarn of the month thing where they send you this gorgeous crate full of yummy stuff. And let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, let me get it out and show you. So, Knitcrate, and I'm not associated with them whatsoever. This is my first one. I saw this on Facebook, I think, like a link, and I thought, oh, I'm gonna try that. And so this is their own brand. I think they have 4 different boxes you can choose from each month, and they range. This was, I think it was $19.99 US, so whatever the conversion is. And there's no shipping. You don't pay shipping. They just ship it directly to you anywhere in the world. So you can get it anywhere. And they have a sock one, which is what I subscribe to. They have a regular one, which you get 2 skeins of yarn to make things like cowls, hats, shawls, that kind of stuff. And then they have an artisan sock and an artisan crate, which I think you get a free gift in that, I'm not sure. But anyway, I chose this, it's the cheapest of them all, which is just the sock one, and you get 1 skein of loveliness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is called Robin's Promise. Ooh. And it's 80% Peruvian Highland wool and 20% nylon. It's fingering weight. And of course that means it would be hand wash only, lay flat to dry. I think this is so nice and very excited. And you also get a little booklet inside, and you can also go online. They give you a link and you can go online and download the pattern there too, so if you would prefer. But the pattern is actually in here, and this is what even tells you about the yarn. This is the socks I will be making. Ooh, for me. And it looks darker here, but I am so excited to start these socks. And ooh, look at the pattern. Ooh, I don't know how that works, but I've never. You can. That's an actual chart, I guess, and then the actual pattern is online, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. I've never tried it before. And then they tell you a little bit about the sock designer too, which is also great. So I am looking forward to skimming through this book and having a look, finding out, oh, it's Sleepy New Year. That's the theme. I guess there's a theme each month too. So I am so excited to get going on this. And I just wanted to open it and show it you though, because I thought this was good. Because I told everybody the other day, this year is the year of the sock and the year of paper pumpkin. So there will be lots of posts in the coming months about my 2 favorite things. Okay, bye for now.